Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. It is week number 4 and we are having chapter number 4, turning effect of the force. And the content of this week are number 1, principle of moments, number 2, center of mass, number 3, center of gravity, number 4 is couple, number 5, equilibrium, and number 6 is states of equilibrium. And the objectives of this week are to define principle of moments, define center of mass, define center of gravity, define couple, understand equilibrium, understand states of equilibrium. Now, what is principle of equilibrium? A body is said to be balanced if the sum of the clockwise moments acting on the body is equal to the sum of anti-clockwise moments acting on it. You already know that the torque or moment of force is a vector quantity. It is either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Number 2 is center of mass. Center of mass of a system is such a point where an applied force causes a system to move without rotation. Here, the word moves mean the linear motion. It moves forward without any rotation. The next, center of mass, a point where the whole weight of the body appears to act vertically downward, is called the center of gravity of. Now we will find the center of gravity of uniform objects. Uniform mean regular objects, for example a square, a rectangle, a triangle, a circle, a sphere or a cylinder. First of all, the center of gravity of a uniform square or a rectangular sheet is point of intersection of their diagonals, and center of gravity of a uniform circular disk is at its center. And the center of gravity of solid sphere or hollow sphere is the center of the sphere, and center of gravity of a uniform triangular sheet is the point of intersection of its medians. And center of gravity of a uniform circular ring is the center of the ring, and center of gravity of a uniform solid or hollow cylinder is the middle point on its axis. And all the diagrams which have been discussed in the previous slide are shown in front of you. We are given a square, in B it is a circle, and C is a rectangle, D is a triangle, and E is a ring, and F is the circle. And next is a couple. A couple is formed by two unlike parallel forces of the same magnitude but not along the same line. This last sentence is very important. The forces which are not along the same line, they form the couple. And the couple produces the torque or moment of force in the body. What is equilibrium? Here we are given the two conditions for equilibrium. Number one condition is if the net force acting on the body is zero, and number two condition is that if net torque acting on the body is zero, then body is said to be in perfect equilibrium. Next we have the states of equilibrium or types of equilibrium. Number one is stable equilibrium. A body is said to be in stable equilibrium if after slight tilt it returns to its previous position. And students keep in mind that in stable equilibrium, when body is tilted, the center of gravity becomes higher than the previous position. And the couple is formed by two unlike parallel forces of the same magnitude but not along the same line. And the two diagrams show the effect of the couple produces the torque. Although we can see that both forces are equal and opposite, it means the net of the forces is zero, but there is a turning effect due to the two opposite forces acting on two different points of the object. Next is unstable equilibrium. If a body does not return to its previous position when set free after a slight tilt, it is called unstable equilibrium. And also note that in unstable equilibrium, center of gravity of the object becomes lower than the previous position. And the last is a neutral equilibrium. If a body remains in its new position when disturbed from its previous position, it is said to be in state of neutral equilibrium. And students, hopefully you will attempt all these the worksheet given at the end. Okay, best of luck. Allah. Here in this slide, all three states of equilibrium are given. The first is the stable equilibrium. A book lying on its flat surface on the table, it is a stable equilibrium. You can see that when this book is slightly tilted, its center of gravity becomes a little higher than the previous position, but it comes back to original position again. And second condition is unstable equilibrium. It is in equilibrium until the line of action of center of gravity passes through the base of the object. When this line crosses the base, it will never come to the previous position, so it will topple down to the next position. And third one, you can see in the smiley faces, it is a example of tennis ball or a football rolling on the ground. The center of gravity in the neutral equilibrium remains throughout the same. Its position does not change, neither it rises nor it becomes